CBSE, Science, Class 9, Chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings.
Let us learn the chemistry chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook, and questions are in yellow color while answers are in white color.
What are the different states of matter? As you observe different types of matter around you, commonly you find that matter around us exists in the three different states: solid, liquid and gas, for example ice, water and vapor. These states of matter arise due to the variation in the characteristics of the particles of matter. What are the properties of solids? Solids have a definite shape, distinct boundaries and fixed volumes, and solids have negligible compressibility. What about a rubber band? Can it change its shape on stretching? Is it a solid? A rubber band changes shape under force and regains the same shape when the force is removed. If excessive force is applied, it breaks. It's a solid. What about sugar and salt? When kept in different jars, these take the shape of the jar. Are they solid? The shape of each individual sugar or salt crystal remains fixed, whether we take it in our hand, put it in a plate or in a jar. It's a solid. What about a sponge? It is a solid, yet we are able to compress it. Why? A sponge has many holes, in which air is trapped. When we press it, the air is expelled out and we are able to compress it. It's a solid. What are the properties of liquids? We observe that liquids have no fixed shape but have a fixed volume. They take up the shape of the container in which they are kept. Liquids flow and change shape, so they are not rigid but can be called fluid. How aquatic animals survive inside water? All living creatures need to breathe for survival. The aquatic animals can breathe underwater due to the presence of dissolved oxygen in water. Thus, we may conclude that solids, liquids and gases can diffuse into liquids. Why rate of diffusion of liquids is higher than that of solids? The rate of diffusion of liquids is higher than that of solids. This is due to the fact that in the liquid state, particles move freely and have greater space between each other as compared to particles in the solid state. What are the properties of gases? Gases are highly compressible as compared to solids and liquids. The liquefied petroleum gas (LPG) cylinder that we get in our home for cooking, or the oxygen supplied to hospitals in cylinders, is compressed gas. Compressed natural gas (CNG) is used as fuel these days in vehicles. Due to its high compressibility, large volumes of a gas can be compressed into a small cylinder and transported easily. How does smells reach us? We come to know of what is being cooked in the kitchen without entering there, by the smell that reaches our nostrils. Particles of the aroma of food mix with particles of air spread from the kitchen, reach us and even farther away. The smell of hot cooked food reaches us in seconds. Due to high speed of particles and large space between them, gases show the property of diffusing very fast. Compare the motion of particles in three states of matter. The motion of the particles can be seen and compared in the three states of matter. In the gaseous state, the particles move about randomly at high speed. The pressure exerted by the gas is because of this force exerted by gas particles per unit area on the walls of the container. End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email, given below. The question answers of this chapter 1, Matter in Our Surroundings, will be continued.